Look to go back this way.
Oh, no.
The ball's been lost. But it comes back for the Cook Islands and puts the foot down. He does. A cover. And scores in the corner. So, the kick.
Oh.
Oh! Just short. Clowns are starting to form here at St. Ignatius College Review for the Oceania Under-18's Championship. Oh, a fantastic take off the restart. Sensational. I didn't catch a number. We'll have a look at that.
Oh, numbers wide here.
They need to move the ball quickly. The ball's still backwards.
Good
it's
hands
there.
For the try scorer.
A cover again, and he cuts back inside. Looks to go and will go himself. A fantastic try. To Brian, a cover.
Very good. That restart was fantastic, I think. That started it, and then they had numbers wide, and just simple hands did it. And the man picked up a second. It was a great little finish there. Had work to do. Finished it off nicely.
The kick to come, better position. A good strike of the ball. It's got it over. Jordan Tuakana.
Can kick. Must be getting some few hinders off Chucky Stannard.
Oh. Again, fantastic take. The cockatoos fly around here. Beautiful Sydney today.
The last play of the half.
Little ball on the inside will do it for a cover. Good cover tackle. It slowed him down. But Tonga earn a penalty. Now Cook Island starting to give away some penalties. Oh, and Tonga, we've seen this man already score some points. Opu. Sorry, Tualamaka. And the penalty goes back. It's tit for tat at the moment.
The ball play is too slow there. And the Cook Island boys just take that ball. And then probably kick for touch here. And finish off this half.
Good thing you didn't kick it too hard because it's pretty much bushland just right behind us. We wouldn't be getting that ball back quickly.
No.
So half time. Again, this DJ is really bringing the goods today.
Yeah, good Pacific Islander vibe. Pumping out from those big speakers down the back there of the field.
Simon Kennywell today in Sydney Premiership Rugby, which is the big club rugby competition in Sydney for those listening overseas. It's a bit of a derby clash with your club, Randwick, taking on the Beasties.
Yes, big clash down at Coogee Oval. Yeah, Randwick versus the Beasties. Should be a good day. The first grade kicks off about 3:15, so I'll be down there later on supporting the boys. Hopefully there should be a decent crowd there, and hopefully it's a good game of footy.
Just going full rugby today.
Yeah.
Like you were staring down this Saturday and going, it's rugby.
It's a long day of
There's
footy.
Super Rugby tonight as well. How good.
Everything's on, but it's good. Bit of everything. 7's this morning, 15's tonight, and the Savo, so it should be a good day.
Reds and the Chiefs tonight in Brisbane.
Hopefully the rain holds out.
Should be a fantastic clash. So the Cook Islands having a last-minute chat before getting underway with the second half. Ooh. There's Tonga. Getting ready to restart. Some young fans here down in the corner shouting, "Go Tonga." Oh, a little ball on the inside, and he'll be away, and he is. This is Tiriki for the corner. The cover defence comes from Pasika.
Great tackle.
Long looping pass.
Got numbers that wide.
Ronan Lawrence must move the ball. Steps inside. Little ankle breaker move. Strickland will score under the posts. Caleb Strickland, the last man to finish off a good play from the Cook Islands. Good patience being shown there. Tonga just a bit frustrated.
Yeah, good start for the second half here. A few subs being made, a couple of fresh legs. Add some impact. It's the third game of the day today, so the bodies are hurting. The subs are important.
Ball's taken well in the air. Tonga. Oh, penalty. Penalty coming to Tonga. They need.
This is some support.
They haven't had a lot of momentum in this match, and now they step back on the inside and pin the ears back. Lolo. Lolo for the corner, and he gets there.
Great finish.
Sione Lolo. Brilliant final finish there from the men in red.
Bit of a glimpse of what they can do when they have the ball in hand. Just backing themselves there and finish off things very nicely in the corner. Getting one try back.
Couple of substitutions being made. Spreading the ball out wide. Oh, and a quick turnover here, but it's been knocked on both sides. So we'll come back for the scrum. Tonga need to create something. A little space opens up. And a knock on. Frustration.
A simple error. It's creeping into the Tongan game here at the moment. Restricting them from playing some footy.
And it's the 1%ers that are costing them. The playmaker, Ronan Lawrence, he's been all over it today. The turnover comes for Tonga.
Good hands.
Must score. Oh, has he been held up? He has. Excellent defence from the Cook Islands. The try is awarded. So after discussion with the referees. So we must be getting close to the end of this game as the sun starts to come out again. It's a confusing day for the weather watchers.
It is. Hopefully this injury isn't too serious.
Oh yes, we've got a Tongan player down in back play. So we'll just wait for a few minutes. And Simon, what have you thought about the standard of play you've seen thus far this weekend?
I think it's been very good overall. First ever tournaments, obviously very hard, and particularly on the international stage. I'm sure for a lot of these boys it's the first time playing this quality of footy, so I think overall it's been pretty good. There's been, my standout team I think so far has been Samoa. They've put in some strong performances, particularly against Australia, so I think that at the moment the team to beat, but there's still plenty of good footy being played by all teams. It should be a strong competition leading into tomorrow's games,
Absolutely.
into the finals.
Yeah, looking forward to that. So we're underway again in a huge barnstorming run and met well on the tackle by Ronan Lawrence. Now Tonga on the charge.
Tonga now going to be a bit of wind in their sails. They're going forward. Loose carry. Gives the ball straight back.
Cook Islands just looking to find some space out wide, and they see numbers.
Good breakdown work there from the Tongan boys again. We've got numbers wide. Just draw and pass.
Oh, couldn't finish, but it kept the ball alive. Lawrence Ronan just... So Ronan Lawrence just getting the orders to kick for the sideline. Get a couple extra metres. Ball's over the top and is allowed to bounce for Tonga.
There's some space out here on the edge.
Bit of darting and weaving here on the short side as the final siren goes. Oh, little inside ball. Caught just short. Advantage being played. Still not over the line.
Opting for a pick and drive.
Desperate defence from Cook Islands. Referee's just going to have a chat with his assistant. You can see the scenes of jubilation.
A strong Tongan support group over there on the sideline. I love it.
Oh, just off the post. So Tonga take this match. An excellent effort. Cook Islands be left to rue missed opportunities. The next game's ready to come on, but we're going to have a change in the commentary box. Simon.